us. Now we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Persian blue color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The next one is H. H, I, J, K. Stay with us. L, M, N. The next one is O. Now we're writing the alphabet of P. Q. The next one is R. R, S, T, U. U for umbrella. Kids, the next one is V. V. W. W for watch. X, Y, Z. Yes. Silver color, exactly. Dark green color. Dark pink color. Stay with us. Yes. Persian blue color. Light pink color. And the next one is brown color. Yellow color. Orange color. Black color. Kids, the next one is sky blue color. Blue color. Light green color. Stay with us. Red color. Red color. And the last one is white color. White color. Kids, first we draw the alphabet of A, and now we're using the color of light green, writing the alphabet of A. Stay with us. A. Now we're writing the alphabet of B. The next one is C. Now we're writing the alphabet of D. D for dog. The next one is E. Stay with us. E for egg. F. F. F for fish. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we're writing the alphabet of H. So kids, now we're using the color of brown, writing the alphabet of I. I for eyes. J. K. The next one is L. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. Now we're writing the alphabet of O. O for octopus. P. P for penguin. And now we're using the color of blue, writing down numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kids, the next one is 5. The next one is 6. S-I-X, 6. 7, 8. The next one is 9. 10. T-E-N. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. The next one is I, J, K, L, L. The next one is M, O, P, Q, Q, R. Kids, now we open colors. Light green color. The next one is brown color. Brown color. Sky blue color. Sky blue color. The next one is dark pink color. Yes. Silver color. Silver color. Orange color. Orange color. Yes. Light pink color. The next one is blue color. Blue color. Stay with us. Yellow color. Persian blue color. Red color. White color. Stay with us. Yes, black color. And the last one is dark green color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. First we're using the color of orange, and now we're writing capital letter alphabets of yes, A. Kids, the next one is yes, B. Now we draw the alphabet of yes, C. C. C for cow. Now we draw the alphabet of D. The next one is E. F. F for fish, F for fan. So kids, now we're using the color of black. So dark. Now we draw the alphabet of G. G. G for God. And the next one is yes, H. I for ice, I for ice cream. J. The next one is K. Now we draw the alphabet of L. L for lemon. Now we draw the alphabet of M. Now we are using the color of dark pink color. Dark pink color M. M for moon. M for mango. N. The next one is O. O for orange. Now we draw the alphabet of P. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. The last one is. First we open colors. Silver color. The next one is sky blue color. Brown color. Brown color, kids. The next one is Persian blue color. Stay with us. The next one is yellow color. Yellow color. The next one is black color. Now we open the color of red. Red color. Orange color. Orange color. White color. Now we open the color of light pink color. Dark pink color. Light green color. Dark green color. And the last one is blue color. Blue color. Today we draw and writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. White color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yellow color. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Black color. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Persian blue color. V, W, X, Y. And the last one is Z. Stay with us. Now we're writing alphabets. First we are using the color of yellow and writing the alphabet of A. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball. C for cow. C for cat. The next one is D. D. Now we draw the alphabet of E. The next one is F. G. G for God. So kids, now we are using the color of silver and writing the alphabet of H. H. I. I for ice. J. The next one is K. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. Now we draw the alphabet of M. Stay with us. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. We are again using the color of silver. O for octopus. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rice. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Light green color. Writing the alphabet of V. The next one is W. Now we draw the alphabet of X. X for Xmas tree. Y for York, and the last one is Z. Stay with us. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.